The Storm Prediction Center has put out a Day 7 severe weather watch, and we're continuing to watch March 4th through the second week of March for the potential for some strong winter storms to return to the states. Alright, let's talk about the weather. Today's video will be a little bit quicker, but in tomorrow's video, I'll go into depth on all of this. As I said, the SPC, or Storm Prediction Center, has put out a Day 7 severe weather watch. These are rare. They have to have a lot of confidence in this severe weather occurring to put out a watch this far ahead of time. And this risk zone encompasses portions of Tennessee, Mississippi, Arkansas, Texas, and Louisiana. Expect, as we get closer in time, for this risk zone to likely expand and increase in severity. That almost always happens when they issue these risks this far out. This is a severe weather event that they're warning us about. We're expecting a pretty strong low pressure system to dig its way down into the south central region, and a very strong mid and lower level trough to be ejecting out ahead of this system. This event is currently forecast to have some high velocities and some very significant wind shear associated with it. And while the CAPE, or convective available potential energy, which basically tells us how unstable the air is above us, is not forecast to be that high yet, many times CAPE is under forecast until we get within 48 to 72 hours of an event occurring. So this is something we have to watch for next week. Now, this will likely be associated with a winter storm to the north and very cold air driving in behind it. And this is not the only system we're watching next week. As we move into next weekend, we could have another low pressure system sweeping across the country right behind it, bringing the potential for some more very cold air up into the Midwest, Ohio Valley, and Northeast, and maybe, just maybe, a snowstorm for the coastal Mid-Atlantic and New England. This is way far out. We need a lot more time. This thing could shift way off to the east or could shift farther inland. And looking out even farther towards the end of the second week of March, we may have some more cold air or some more storm systems trying to make their way back down into the states. As I've been saying, we are approaching spring, but winter is not done with the states yet. At least it doesn't look like it is. And I will stay on top of this and keep you guys updated. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or sub. I make posts like this every single day and I stream every single night. I'll see you in the next video.